Good morning. Today in linear algebra we will study quotient space and linear combination. So first of all, what is quotient space? Let V be a vector space over a field F and let S be a subspace of V. Then the set V by S equal to U plus S such that U belongs to V is a vector space over a field F for the vector addition and scalar multiplication defined as U plus S plus V plus S equal to U plus V plus S and A into U plus S equal to AU plus S for all U plus S, V plus S belonging to V by S and for all A belonging to F. This vector space is called the quotient space of V by S. So here we have defined vector addition as U plus S plus V plus S equal to U plus V plus S and scalar multiplication as A into U plus S equal to AU plus S, and here S is the subspace of V and V is a vector space over a field F. So first of all we will show that this V upon S satisfies all the properties of a vector space where V by S is equal to elements of V by S is equal to U plus S where U belongs to U. First of all, we show that vector addition and scalar multiplication are well defined on V by S. Let U plus S is equal to U dash plus S and V plus S equal to V dash plus S where U and U dash are elements of V and V dash are elements of V. If U plus S is equal to U dash plus S, then this implies U minus U dash belongs to S. And V plus S equal to V dash plus S implies V minus V dash belongs to S. And this implies U minus U dash plus V minus V dash belongs to S. Because S is a subspace of V, therefore, and U minus U dash and V minus V dash both belongs to S. Therefore, their sum also belongs to S. And if we rearrange the terms, then we get U plus V minus U dash plus V belongs to S. It means U plus V plus S is equal to U dash plus V plus S by definition of V by S. And this may be written as U plus S plus V plus S equal to U dash plus S plus V dash plus S for all U dash, V dash belonging to V by definition of a vector addition on V by S. Thus, U plus S is equal to U dash plus S, V plus S is equal to V dash plus S. Therefore, vector addition is well defined on V by S. Now, we come to scalar multiplication. Let lambda belongs to F and U minus U dash belongs to S. Therefore, since S is a vector subspace, therefore lambda into U minus U dash belongs to S. And this implies lambda into U minus U dash belongs to S. And this implies lambda U plus S is equal to lambda U dash plus S. Therefore, the scalar multiplication on Vs is well defined. Now, we will verify all the axioms of a vector space. So first of all, we'll remind it quickly that what is vector space? What are the axioms of a vector space? Vector space consists of a set V of field F and two binary operations, vector addition and scalar multiplication for all the elements of F and all the vectors V. And satisfies some axioms. First is V is an additive abelian group. Number 2, V is closed under scalar multiplication. Number 3, it satisfies certain laws of scalar multiplication. A into V plus W is AV plus AW. A plus B into V is AV plus BV. A into BV is AB into V. And fourth is if 1 is the unit element of F, then 1 into V is V. These are the axioms of a vector space, and we will show that these axioms are satisfied by this quotient space V by S. So first of all, we will prove that V by S is a abelian group under vector addition. So first property of closure exam is automatically satisfied by the definition of vector addition of V by S. Now associativity, let U plus S and V plus S and W plus S belongs to V by S. Therefore, U plus S plus V plus S plus W plus S is equal to U plus S plus V plus S can be written as U plus V plus S by definition of vector addition of V by S and plus W plus S. Again we apply the definition of vector addition, so we will get U plus V plus W plus S. Because U, V, W are the elements of V and V is a vector space, so associativity is satisfied by the elements of a vector space, so we may write it as U into V plus W plus S, and this may be written as U plus S plus V plus W plus S, and this is equal to U plus S plus V plus S plus W plus S. Here also we have used the definition of vector addition on Vs. Hence vector addition is associative on V by S. Now commutativity, let U plus S plus and V plus S belongs to V by S. Therefore U plus S plus V plus S may be written as U plus V plus S by definition of vector addition of V by S. And this is equal to V plus U because U and V are elements of V and V is a vector space, and so commutativity of vector addition is satisfied on V. And this is equal to V plus S plus U plus S. So vector addition is commutative on V by S. Now existence of identity. I have denoted here identity vector by 0 and in the suffix I have written it with V. So don't confuse this. This is just a notation, and I have denoted it by to make it different from other elements. Since 0 V belongs to V because V is a vector space, so it must contain an identity element. Therefore 0 V plus S is equal to S, and this belongs to V by S. And now U plus S plus 0 V plus S is equal to U plus 0 V plus S. By definition of vector addition of V by S, and U plus 0 V is U, so this is U plus S for U plus S belonging to V plus S, and this may be written as 0 V plus S plus U plus S for all U plus S belonging to V by S. Therefore 0 V plus S is equal to S is the identity element of the vector addition on V by S. Now existence of additive inverse, let U plus V be any arbitrary element of V by S. Because U is the element of V, therefore minus U also exists because V is a vector space and it has each of its element has additive inverse. So U belonging to V implies minus U belongs to V, and this implies minus U plus S belongs to V by S. Therefore U plus S plus minus U plus S is equal to U plus minus U plus S by definition of vector addition of V by S, and this is equal to U plus minus UV is nothing but the 0 element of V by S, and this is 0 plus S is equal to S, and this may be written as 0 plus 0 V plus S, and this is equal to minus U plus S plus U plus S. So U plus S minus U plus S is equal to S, and this is equal to minus U plus S plus U plus S. Therefore U plus S belongs to V by S and has its additive inverse minus U plus S, which also belongs to V by S. Hence V by S is a abelian group under vector addition. The third property is V by S is closed under scalar multiplication. This is satisfied by the definition of scalar multiplication on V by S. Now next we satisfy three laws of scalar multiplication. For if U plus S and V plus S belongs to V by S and lambda and mu are elements of field F, then lambda into u plus s plus v plus s is equal to lambda into u plus v plus s, and this is equal to lambda into u plus v plus s, and this may be written as lambda u plus lambda v plus s, and this is equal to lambda u plus s plus lambda v plus s by definition of addition on v by s, and this may be written as lambda into u plus s into lambda into v plus s by definition of scalar multiplication on v by s. Second is lambda plus mu into u plus s. This may be written as lambda plus mu into u plus s by definition of scalar multiplication on v by s. And this we may write lambda u plus mu u plus s, because v is a vector space. So all these properties are satisfied by the elements of vector space, and this is equal to lambda u plus s plus mu u plus s by definition of addition of vector space, and this is equal to lambda into u plus s plus mu into u plus s by definition of scalar multiplication on v by s. Now third is lambda mu into u plus s is equal to lambda mu u plus s by definition of scalar multiplication on v by s, and this is equal to lambda into mu u plus s, because u is a element of vector space and these properties are satisfied by the elements of vector space. This is equal to lambda into mu u plus s, and this is equal to lambda into mu plus u plus s by definition of scalar multiplication on v by s. Now last is 1 into u plus s is equal to 1 into u plus s, and this is equal to u by s because v is a vector space. Hence v by s is a vector space over a field F. Now we come to the definition of linear combination. Let v be a vector space over a field F, and let v1, v2 be n vectors in V. Let lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n be n scalars in F. Then the vector lambda 1 v1 plus lambda 2 v2 plus dash 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 lambda n vn is called the linear combination of v1, v2, vn. It is also called a linear combination of the set v1, v2, vn. Since there are finite number of vectors in S, it is also called a finite linear combination of S. Now we have one example. How to express v equal to minus 2, 3 in r square over r as a linear combination of vectors v1 equal to 1, 1 and v2 equal to 1, 2. Let's see. Let x and y are scalars such that we may write it as v equal to x v1 plus y v2. V is given to be minus 2 upon 3, the minus 2, 3. So minus 2, 3 equal to x, v1 is 1, 1 and y into v2 is 1, 2. I have substituted the value of v, v1 and v2. This implies minus 2, 3 is equal to multiply inside by x. So we get x into 1 is x, x into 1 is y. And multiply inside by y, y into 1 is y, y into 2 is y. Then if we add the corresponding elements, we get x plus y, x plus 2y. So first element is x plus y, second is x plus 2y. So these two vectors are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. X plus y equal to minus 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. So we have two equations, x plus y equal to minus 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. We may solve these equations easily to get x equal to minus 7 and y equal to 5. And we substitute these values in the vector v equal to x v1 plus y v2, and we get that v is equal to minus 7 v1 plus 5 v2. We consider one more example to find the condition on A, B, C so that A, B, C is a linear combination of v1 and v2, where the vector v1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and v2 equal to 2, 3, 1 in r cube over r. in a three-dimensional vector space. Let xy be a scalar in R such that u equal to xv1 plus yv2. So if we substitute the values of u, v1 and v2 in this, we get ABC equal to x into 1, 2, 3 plus y into 2, 3, 1. This implies ABC equal to x plus 2y, 2x plus 3y, 3x plus y. First I have multiplied inside by x to get x plus 2x plus 3x, and here in second term we get 2y plus 3y y. If we multiply each element by, then we add the corresponding terms to get x plus 2y, 2x plus 3y, 3x plus y. So this implies two vectors are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Means x plus 2y equal to A, 2x plus 3y equal to B, 3x plus y equal to C. Solving first two equations, we get x equal to minus 3a plus 2b, y equal to 2a minus b. If we substitute these values of x and y in third equation, we get 3 into minus 3a plus 2b plus 2a minus b equal to c. On solving this, we get 7a minus 5b plus c equal to 0, which is a required condition that u is a linear combination of v1 and v2. Thank you.